guys, Dan McCoy, R.L. McCoy. Wanted to talk a little bit today about placement methods. Don't be afraid of dragons. As you can see, we've got a contractor behind us that loves them. Production time is so much faster with these. We had a unique opportunity last week with another contractor to look at two different pours. Both of them 10,000 square feet, both of them 200 cubic yards. And one, the day before, they were worried about the line dragons causing some tears in the vapor barrier. And I called him up and I said, hey, we can make this work. You know, we can do this. And he said, well, hey, if you think you can make it work, let's try it. And, you know, that's all it takes for people to get hooked to these things. Well, the next day, we put the line dragons down, but we doubled the efficiency. They used 2 less labors. Those labors were able to do something else. So the first pour took about 6 hours. The second pour took about 3 hours. Now, if you start looking at an 8-hour day, at the end of the first pour, you only had 2 hours of opportunity left with your crew. At the end of the second pour, you had 5 hours left of opportunity for that crew to do. So placement methods, what works? Today, you've got a low ceiling, you've got a nice big open space, kind of limited access, everything all about line dragons. Thanks.